Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a quick solution I just found about connecting your smartphone to your Honda. Um, the issue is that when you try to connect your phone with a cable, nothing happens and you get this message. And previously everything was working fine, and for a lot of months I was just lazy fixing that. So after looking through the different forums on YouTube, I saw two options with rebooting the car and doing a factory reset. The factory reset is something that I don't really want to do. So let's dive into the actual solution. You just need to go to settings, smartphone, choose that relevant technology, and then what? My phone was disabled all this time. That was the issue. Hope that's the issue for you as well. Was very easy. Just need to choose from disable, enable, and that's it. Just need to connect my USB and it's working like magic. Let me know in the comments if it's working for you. If no, try to consider doing a factory reset. I never done it, but from what I heard, that's what help other people. Thank you, and let me know in the comments how it went for you.